It is important to be in front of the customer. It's where lasting relationships begin.
People love the trailer. I think they really love the ability to come, touch, feel the product, see the product. We made it so it's almost a 10-15 minute setup, and it's a mini showroom on top of a training tool. Now we can take them inside the trailer. They can touch, they can feel the product, see the different colors on the actual product. And then we also have a demo wall in there for our guys to go ahead and show a demonstration on how it installs.
Having access to a program like On the Road is monumental. It's one thing to create a really good product, but it's another thing to have a really unique service proposition to help fuel the market. The benefits for contractors, home builders, and homeowners is the fact that they were able to see, touch, and feel through the demo wall, see all of the different profiles, shapes, colors, sizes, exposures, and it really gives them the ability to have theater of mind when they're planning their next project.
That's the extra icing on the cake. Having the trailer here and being able to show us with the product actually being installed on the wall, or how it goes on the wall, what the trims look like after they're installed, how the trims get installed. If we're confident in the product after seeing it, it helps us when we're selling the product to our customers.
Educate your customer on how the product installs and performs, and they become champions for your products.